If you want to change the DPI settings on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, what you can do is you can go to settings. Over here in settings, if we scroll down and go to additional settings, then we should be able to open accessibility. And then in here we have vision and then display size. And in here with this display size, we can adjust the DPI setting. We can tap on this check in order to apply these changes. And there we go. This is how it looks like. Unfortunately, usually we can also go to developer options in order to manually adjust DPI settings. And in this case, while technically in theory it is possible to do so, in reality it doesn't change much. So I'm going to show you what it actually does. So in order to go to developer options, of course, we need to go to about phone and we need to keep tapping on OS version until you need to enter the screen lock password. And then you will see this information that that you are now a developer. So we're gonna scroll down in settings afterwards and go to additional settings, and we should be able to find developer options. And in here we need to keep scrolling until you find smallest width option, which is in here. And usually we can enter a, for example, bigger number, like let's say 600, in order to make everything much smaller. But oh, this time it actually works. So if you change it for the first time, there is a chance that it won't work, that it won't change anything in here. So what you might need to do is you will need to enter a different value, switch back to the standard value, which is 393 over here, 393, and then once again set up the bigger value. And this time it actually works. So if I checked it, when I checked it for the first time, it actually didn't work, but now it seems that it does work. So you can see it is actually smaller, everything is smaller. And you have to be careful with these values, because if you enter like too high value, it can mess things up and it might be difficult to revert those changes. And the bigger the number is, of course, then everything will be much bigger. So if I set it to 320, everything is really large, as you can see over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.